when you're solving an equation, the form of the equation dictates the method that you use to solve it. Now, if you have a simple equation like this, some variable x minus 12, well, you just add 12 to their side, you're done. But when you have something that has both a quadratic term, the x squared, and a linear term, an x, well, that usually means you're heading towards factoring. Okay, so we've gone over factoring before. The techniques for that are in a separate video. And we can factor this one. I'm just going to write these as x. X minus 4 and x plus 3 equals 0. That's the factored form of this guy right here. And I know I want to factor it because that's how you solve quadratics. And I'll show you the path forward now. There's a theorem called the zero product theorem, which basically says if you have two numbers multiplied together and the result is 0, then one of them had to be 0. We're not sure which one, maybe both. But it means what you do to solve this thing is you set each of these equal to 0. So we say, oh, okay, x plus 3 equals 0. Therefore, x equals negative 3. Okay, that's one of our solutions. And you would also say, well, what about this guy over here? X minus 4 equals 0. Therefore, x equals 4 is also another solution. And if you plug these back in, which you should always do, plug these back into the original equation, you'll see plugging in 4 up here, 4 squared minus 4 minus 12, yeah, it equals 0. So what you would type for your answer to this is 4 comma negative 3. Just use a comma when you have multiple solutions like that.